Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or disable the camera or your web camera in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom search bar, type settings. Once you've typed it, wait for the best match to appear. Okay, so I can see here the best match. Click on open to continue. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to the list of the options where you can see at the left side of your screen. And here you need to scroll down and look for apps. Simply click on it. And here under the apps, it has these different options. In our case, we'll be going to the very first option, which is installed apps. Simply click this forward arrow to continue. And here you are being redirected to the applications present in your Windows or computer. Here we'll be looking for the camera app. Okay. So I can see here next to AV1 video extension in my case. So aligning that, it has this three dots. Simply click on that to see more options and go with the first one, which is advanced options. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked it, you will be redirected here at the specifications, app permission, background apps permission under the camera. Now, in order to turn off or disable the web camera, simply turn this off. And in that manner, you have just successfully turned off or disabled the web camera or the camera itself in your Windows or computer. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.